Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. Welcome back for our second week of cozy gatherings for the hashtag gratitude collab, which is hosted by Creating with Jovi and Cindy A. Lewis. Here are the other 9 collaborators joining in on this collaboration. Our second week of our prompts consist of: what is your favorite family recipe and why? But before we get into that, I want to be sure and let you guys know that they do have their printable fall kits up on Etsy and on their Ko-Fi. This one is Jovi's, called Cozy Autumn. You get a lot of variety and you get a lot for your buck, and she also has freebies posted up on her Facebook. Be sure to check out Cindy's as well on her Ko-Fi, where she also features her sweet printables as well. So thank you so very much, ladies, for having invited me onto this collaboration, and I can't wait to show you guys what my favorite family recipe is. Here is the journal that I have been journaling in. This was gifted to me by Kathy over at Kathy's Favorite Things, and I featured it in the last video. And then I wrote a little bit about the family recipe and why it's one of my favorites. So here I talk about my parents' iconic asado. It's pretty well known throughout the community. They took first place a couple of times at the asado contest for Cinco de Mayo, and here is how the dish looks like. They pair it with beans and rice, and my daddy also complements the dish with some tortillas for the judges when they come and check it out for themselves. I always feel so very proud of them having earned their plaques when they have won, and it's just rewarding to see that our family recipe, our dish, is just being honored, and I just feel so privileged to be able to have the recipe in my possession. And yeah, thanks you guys for watching. Y'all please take care. Bye.